Hello and welcome to this video on one of the new features in version 16 of P6-Loader. In P6-Loader version 16, we have found that people were wanting to be more pointed about the types of activities and the information that they are going to pull for those activities. So we've added several filters in our extraction window. First of all, we have this filters area up here, where we can choose the WBS code, the name, status, category, or a UDF that we run only those activities that meet that criteria. We also have the ability to use activity IDs, names, activity date, the activity status, an activity code, or an activity UDF. In this example, I would be using the responsible discipline activity code name, and I am going to have it equal my civil engineering here. So what this is going to do is it's going to only pull out those activities that have an activity code value for responsible discipline for civil. Now, alternatively, we can also now drill down to each one of our projects and see the WBS structure in that project. So if you drill down and you choose one of the projects, you can open up each one of those layers and you can pick and choose which WBS you would like to pull out the activities for. Now you can do multiple or just single. Another way that you can filter down the activities that you're bringing out is that maybe you have certain projects that you want to filter and only bring out those activities, but they have a project code on them that you want to pull by. Maybe you have several project codes. Maybe you have a UDF as well. So you can use a combination of these pieces of data to decide how you're going to pull that information out. So in this case, I am using my project code name called EAI demo type. And any of the values of my projects that are set to v16 are going to be pulled out. Another alternative is to filter by project date. Now, the modules that are going to respect this are going to be your project information, your activity, your relationships, your resource assignments, activity expenses, and activity steps. So I've marked those that I want to bring those out. So I can go and I can submit this extraction, and when it's completed, download it, and I can see that only the projects that have that demo type matching that version 16, as well as any of the activities that are in those projects. So I have my activities, my relationships, my resource assignments, my activity expenses, and my activity steps. So with this new feature, you can go and select what activities you want to bring out